Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're headed off to St. Pete Beach again with our good friends from Michigan, and we're loaded for just about everything. Oysters, crabs, fishing, beaching. Got the Backwoods Gourmet mobile loaded up and about ready to pull out. Millions of them running around in this beach. That's not how they got in. Take long with that bait.
Recording? Can't tell.
Oh, you lost him right there?
Huh.
So, rookie luck here. That's going to be a keeper flounder. They only got to be 12 inches.
Yeah, it is.
So, yeah. Food.
Awesomeness. Yes.
Awesomeness.
I'm sorry.
Doggy has to see.
Drop the camera in the water. There's a crab out there.
Okay.
You lose on it. Let's throw it back out for a minute.
Okay.
have potatoes and onions.
Take up.
With cheese.
With cheese. Oh, yum. Oh, that's plenty. Oh my gosh, thank you. That is just beautiful.
Silverware, honey, is where?
It's gorgeous.
In the bag.
I was going to say someone gets no fork. Sausage.
Yes, we did go double sausage.
I love it. Oh, muy delicioso.
So, what do you guys think about cooking in wilderness out here? Not exactly wilderness, but certainly no modern conveniences out here for the most part.
Much as I love hot dogs and Lay's potato chips, this is a cut above. You gotta admit.
I would say as far as environment and ambience goes, this is better than some of the finest restaurants I've had the pleasure of enjoying. The wind, the air, the company, but fantastic.
And we left 3 inches of wet snow yesterday or the day before, so that's a bonus.
Well, that's what outdoor cooking, the whole goal is. Learn how to do this, you can do the same thing. So we just had our lunch. So for dessert, I just threw some of these oysters we just caught. So you ain't gonna get no fresher than that. We just caught these things like got those things like an hour ago. Gonna throw them up on the grill and just warm them up till they crack open. Now that's catch, clean, and cook oysters right there. You don't need anything. Super fresh, super tasty. You put them on that grill for a minute, it makes them really easy to open. And they're just warmed up enough just to make them open too, so they're still nice and juicy.
What you do, right?